YouTube is a platform teeming with content creators all vying for attention. In this competitive landscape, having an eye-catching thumbnail for your video can make all the difference in attracting clicks and boosting your channel's growth. One popular and effective design element that can make your thumbnail stand out is glow effect. In this tutorial for beginners, I will be showing you how to create an attractive thumbnail with a stunning glow effect that will make your videos impossible to ignore. Before we dive into the tutorial, let me take a moment to make you understand why thumbnails are so important. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see when scrolling through your video, and they serve as a platform for your video's content. A captivating thumbnail can 1. Grab attention. A visually appealing thumbnail stands out amidst the sea of videos and captures the viewer's interest. 2. It conveys content. It gives viewers an idea of what your video is about, increasing the chances of them clicking on it. 3rd point, builds brand identity. Consistent thumbnail design can help viewers recognize your videos, fostering trust and loyalty. And the last part, boosts click-through rate. A high CTR can lead to more views, better search rankings, and increased revenue potential. Now that we understand the importance of thumbnails, let's dive into creating one with a stunning glow effect. But wait, before you get started, make sure you have the following tools. A thumbnail editing app. You can use the one that I'm about to show you, which is Photoshop Touch for Android, like I'm using in this tutorial. If you don't have it, I am going to leave a link in the description box so you can download it. Now, this is how the screen looks like once you have the ps.cc downloaded onto your phone. Once you are on this interface, click on the ps.cc to open it. You click on blank document and type in 1920 to 1080. Once you have that, you click on OK. You click here, click on this, and you click on photo layer. So you locate your picture on your mobile phone. You go to photo library and I add it. So now I have my picture, and then you open it to resize. Once done, you click on this button right here. We have our picture imported. Let's go ahead and import our background also. So you click here once again, then you click on this photo layer, photo library. Then you locate where you have your background. You bring it, you stretch it to fill. But you see, it's covering the picture right now. What you do is click here and then drag it under our main picture. We have to make the background a little bit blurred to make the image of the lady stand out. So what you do is you click on that layer. Once you have that, you click here, FX, and then you select, you come to basic and select Gaussian blur. This is the bar you use to increase the blur. So for me, I'm going to leave it at 15.5. So you can see it's looking very good right now. Now our picture is looking all good, but one thing, you see, when I try to move the picture, it doesn't move. When you want to move something in a layer, you click here, select what you want to move around, select the transform tool before you can move it around. So that's one thing you have to keep in mind. Now let's add some glow effect to the back of the lady. To do that, click here again, click on the layer, you come to FX, basic, and you choose glow. So this is the size you want the glow to be in, this is the color you want it, and this is the intensity, how strong you want it to be. You push to the right, it becomes more stronger. To the left, it decreases the opacity. In Photoshop you will say opacity, but here it says intensity. So let's choose a beautiful color for the background of the glow. You come here, blur. We want the blur to be a bit big. Intensity, not so much. Okay, I think this is good. You click on OK. And now it's about time we add some text onto our thumbnail. To do that, you click on this end sign, click on text, widen it, and position it where you want it. When you come here to, this is where you select the font, the color of the text. So let's type something. My first. Once done, you click to choose the color. Since the color of the text is the same as the background, it's going to blend with the background and not make it so much visible. So what you do is click on color and choose a color that you want. So you position, you try to drag it well to increase. This is to increase the size or decrease the size. You drag it inwards, decreases the size. Outwards, it increases the size. We decrease the size. This is our first test. You click here and then you go back here to add your second test. That is one thing about this app. You try to type all together, it's not going to be very nice. So you click and change the font to what you want. Now you delete what was in first and then type your next text. Then you position it well. You click on OK. If you want to select the first text, you have to click here, select that layer, and then go here to click on transform so you can have it back. What we are writing is my first YouTube video. We have our first text, our second text, our picture with the glow behind. Let's add our third and last text. Click here on the end side, click on text. There you have it. Click, you delete, and then you type your video over there. Once done, you just increase the size a bit, then you position it. So it's just as easy as that. But we haven't finished. Let's add some effect to the whole thing to make it look so much more appealing. We can choose to add some YouTube logos and other things. So to do that, you head over to your browser and then you type in PNG egg. You search for that, click on it, and then you search for YouTube logo, or just type for short YouTube. It's going to bring everything that has the name YouTube in it. Once you have this, you look through to find what you feel catchy to you. I'm going to go for this. You click on it, you come down, and then you click on download PNG. But before that, you have to solve a captcha. You click on I'm a human being. You see, it says click in order to download this PNG file we want to download right now. So what you do is select the text here, click on it in order as it has been shown up there. So you click Y, 3, E, and R, and it will automatically download. Now it has downloaded. We head back to our PSCC, click here, we click on this photo layer, photo library. See, this is what we just downloaded. You click on add and then you import it, but make it a little bit small and then position it somewhat here. Position one here, click on OK, come over to FX, Gaussian blur, and then I blur it in a bit. Click on OK, go back again, click photo layer, photo library. You import it once again, and then I'm going to make this a little bit small. But you see, it is on top of the text, so you just have to click on OK, click here, and then this is it. Position it below all the text to have it behind. That's out of the way. Click on it, come to FX again, Gaussian blur, and it blends in. For the last part, let's bring it once more, photo library, and you rotate it a little bit to give it some nice look. Position it here. Click here to position it under the main picture, which is that of the lady, to put it behind her. Once you have that out of the way, and Gaussian blur, and there you have it. But as you can see, it's blending in too much with our YouTube text. So you click here and you locate that text. This one, once you have that, you click on FX and then you select glow. So we want our blur not too much, our intensity very high.
Is all the days so light? And then scrolling.
And then we change the color to something like this. So there you have it. Once you're done, you click on done, and to export it onto your mobile phone, you click this sign, save to gallery, you click on the picture, and then you click OK. Now let's see. That is our YouTube thumbnail. You can see it's not too much complicated, yet it looks beautiful for a starter. It's just as simple as that. All you have to be is to be creative. You don't have to go about paying people to design for you. Just be creative. You can just create all this on your mobile phone. This is just the basic. Like I said, in the next video, I am going to do a more complicated one, a more complex one, unlike this one. So you can just hit that subscribe button to keep you updated.